Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all might be fine and safe. So today, children, in English Gulmohar, we are going to do question answer of chapter 3, that is Tenny and the Far Away Mountain. So, children, in the previous class, we have completed till question number 3. Now we will do question number 4. So, the question is asking, where did Tenny meet Dr. Mitty and how did he help her? So, he is over here? He is Dr. Mitty and her is Tenny. So, Tenny had met Dr. Mitty on one of her expedition as a coordinator. So, when Tenny was working as a coordinator, okay, then she had met Dr. Mitty and she had gone to learn many things. Expedition is what, a long journey where we go to learn many things. So Dr. Mitty recognized Dennis' talent. So when Dr. Mitty he had seen Tenny, then he understood that this girl has got talent and became her mentor, and he started teaching her. Okay, he started guiding her, then helped her to train as a mountain climber, and then he started giving her a training so that she can become a good mountain climber. She can climb a mountain. So why did Tenny go to Everest Base Camp in Nepal? What did she do there? So Tenny dreamt of climbing Mount Everest. So she had a dream. Tenny had a dream of climbing Mount Everest. Whenever she went near the mountain, then what would she used to hear? She used to hear whooshu. That means she had a dream from inside. She would long to fulfill that dream. And then she went to the Everest base camp to get used to the harsh weather before she actually began climbing the mountain. So before actually climbing the mountain, she has to get the training so that she can face those difficulties. And first difficulty was the weather, what she was going to face afterwards. So she wanted to face that weather in the Nepal only, the mountain where there was a base camp in Nepal, so that her body could get used to that. Now the stormy wind blew their tent and supplies away. When and where did this happen? So the storm wind blew Tiny and Shering's tent and supplies away when they were about to take rest in the final camp. So when they were going to take rest, finally, then what happened? All the things, the tents and all the supplies, they were blown away by the storm wind. And what did they do immediately after that? So what did they do? They had to borrow a tent where they could spend the night. Okay. Then how did the strong wind affect their journey? When Tenny and Shering started climbing the mountain, the next day the wind kept growing stronger. So wind, it became more stronger. Okay, the wind was so strong that walking ahead became very difficult and climbing the mountain seemed to have become almost impossible. So the wind, it was becoming stronger. Okay, and they were not able to walk ahead, and it was very difficult for them to walk ahead and then to climb the mountain. And they were thinking that it is becoming impossible for them, but then also they did not lose the hope. For every step they took, they reeled back one step. So when they were moving ahead, okay, then what happened? It seemed that they are going to move back because the wind was very strong. It was not allowing them to move ahead. Then the next question is, finally at 10:45 a.m. on 9 May 2011, Tiny's efforts were rewarded. What did Tiny achieve? Now it's asking that on 9 May 2011 she was rewarded with something. Her efforts were rewarded. The work what she was going to have, that was rewarded. Then what did Tiny achieve? So what did she achieve there? So, Tini became the first woman from Northeast India to climb Mount Everest. So, what was her achievement? Her achievement was that she became the first woman from Northeast India who could climb the mountain. So, did Tini deserve it? So, yes, answer is yes. She deserved it because she had worked very hard to achieve that goal. So her goal was from the beginning, from when she was very small, from that time she had the dream and her dream was fulfilled. Now, could Tini have managed to achieve her dream on her own? Who else helped her? So, who had helped? And was it possible for her to achieve it? See, Tinny was a gifted mountain climber. Had she not met Dr. Mitty, she would possibly never have received training to become skilled at mountain climbing. Sering Sherpa, who accompanied her to the top of Mount Everest, also supported her and helped her to brave the weather condition and continue to climb to the top. So, she it is true that she was a gifted mountain climber from beginning, only from when she was very small. From that time she wanted to climb the mountain, but there were people those who have influenced her. So first here it is Dr. Mitty, who had given her all kinds of training, and she became skilled in mountain climbing because of Dr. Mitty. And Shering Sherpa also, he was his companion, and then they both uh, went to the top of the mountain, and they both, when they were working together, they continued and faced the weather conditions and climbed the mountain till top. So thank you everyone. Write the question answer very nicely in good handwriting, and work hard and fulfill your dreams. So thank you.